Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cook basmati rice so it is light and fluffy. It's very simple. Just follow my method and water ratio. The biggest mistake most people make, which results in sticky rice, is using wrong rice to water ratio. If you wash your rice, the water ratio is 1 to 1.2. Also, pay attention to the size of pot. My pot here is just for 1 cup of rice. So, basically, you need to give some space for the rice when it is boiling. If you cook 2 to 3 cups, use medium pot. So guys, it also depends on what stove you are using. Is it standard or strong stove? For standard stove like mine, it needs about 15 minutes, and for strong stove, it is about 12 minutes to steam. Basmati is a type of white rice, but it is more aromatic than plain white rice. And these grains are also longer than ordinary white rice. If you don't have a rice cup, no problem. You can just use any cup you have. A tea cup or coffee cup, that's okay. I'm going to scoop 1 cup of rice. Just flatten it with your fingers. I got this cup when I bought rice cooker. 1 cup of rice is about 125 grams. I like to keep my rice in a Tupperware. It is easier to keep it in kitchen's cabinet. Okay guys, let's rinse the rice first. Generally, the rice should be clean, but I want to get rid of some starch. I usually rinse my rice 2 to 3 times. The starch may cause glutinous too. Just rinse with cold water will do. Last rinse. Now let go a grain of rice. Look, they are clean. Okay, let's measure the water. I think 1 cup is roughly 152 grams. I think I will add some 20 grams more. Just pour in all the water that we have measured. Just use a spoon to tidy up the surface so that we have an even cooking. Okay guys, let me show you how it looks. Let's switch on the stove. I usually set my timer for 5 minutes to get the water boiling. I only use my rice cooker when there are guests coming. Okay, water is boiling. Open the lid. Mix them a while. Turn the stove to the lowest. In this case, my stove is number 3. I'm setting my timer to 15 minutes. Do not tightly close the lid. When we see there is no more water on the surface, then we can tightly close it. No more water, we can close it now. Guys, follow me for a beautiful scenery. Fifteen minutes is over. Switch off the stove. Because rice fresh off the stove is wet, sticky and has not finished cooking. The grains absorb the liquid while resting. Let's have a look on the rice. Wow, that's beautiful. My whole apartment smells so good. They are light and fluffy. No burnt base, no gummy rice. So beautiful. Look at it. Separate, light, fluffy. What a perfect basmati rice. See guys, no burnt base. Some dried rice at bottom is usual, but they are not hard. Isn't it beautiful, guys? I hope you enjoy my cooking. See? So fluffy. I like putting some dried rice in hot soup. So I'm going to put some soap inside here. Some soy sauce. Some drops of sesame oil. Yummy, yummy! Let's try some! Let me bring in my camera closer. Wow! Looks delicious! So guys, today we have learned how to cook basmati rice. Cook it, okay? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, okay?